Beach.
We are going to the beach.
Honeymoon part 2. Here we go, baby.
I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah.
Let the fun begin. Going to our room. Oh, we're almost on the top. 22 out of 25. Ballin'.
Come on.
See how this thing is. Not too shabby. Bed. Closet. Oh, honey, check this out. Bathroom. Nice shower. Tall shower head for me. And oh, check out the view. Oh, of course, there's a nice tub, which we will definitely be enjoying. And then, check that out. That is cool. Then we got a sweet balcony. Oh, there's 2 balconies. Okay.
Already 10. Wow.
Yeah.
That's pretty.
This is not bad at all for 150 bucks. Pricey for Thailand, but sweet balcony with an awesome view. Cool thing about this room too is that if you go to the other side of the room, there's another balcony with a view from the other side of the building. So this is cool. Let's check this out.
Wow.
Sam isn't a big fan of the sun, so this is nice. So, because at this time of day, she can sit over here in the shade and enjoy the view. Time to relax and enjoy.
Yeah.
Honeymoon part 2. Left the hotel, walking down to the beach to get some lunch. Sam forgot the sunscreen. This guy just hoses off your feet. Oh, this one with the seafood barbecue. This'll do. Lunchtime. Fried rice and shrimp. Very basic. Well, we just had lunch and now we're relaxing at the room. I think we're going to go down to the pool and swim around, walk on the beach, and just relax. Checking out the pool. That's cool. The second pool area down by the beach. Not bad. Time to get our drink at the pool bar. Drinks up. Cheers.
By the pool.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. Good noise.
It's like a Arnold Palmer. Non-alcoholic. Back to the room. Relaxing on our eastward facing balcony because Sam likes the shade. We do also have a westward facing balcony on the other side of the room, but it's sunny, so we'll just have to wait until it gets dark. chilling on the balcony, watching the sunset. Sam's inside taking a nap. Taking a quick time lapse for the old Instagram. You know. Not a bad day. Gotta go walk on the beach. Walking on the beach.
These shallow waters never look what I needed. I'm letting go, a deeper dive, eternal silence of the sea. I'm breathing alive.
Time to go get dinner. We decided to get a little dressed up, you know, business casual. Hence, it's business casual, right? No tie with the suit? I have no idea.
Can't see me.
And my wife, who you can't see, looks amazing. Let's eat. They got a private table set up for us. I don't know if you can see us. Not bad. Dinner's here. We got rice, of course. And then we have curry with shrimp, I believe. Yep. And then what is this, love? This is shrimp.
กุ้งอบวุ้นเส้น เอามาโอดา
Shrimp with what? Oh, noodles. I'm starving. It's gonna be a messy one.
Look,
Howdy.
yummy.
Well, we've been taking some photos, you know, since we got all jazzed up and looking fresh. So, anyways, we've been walking around, enjoyed a good dinner. We're gonna go back and relax and go to bed soon-ish. Hold on, Sam wants some cake. Love, are you happy? Sam loves cheesecake. Time to eat some cheesecake and watch the night go away. Good morning. On our balcony. So we had a nice breakfast. They have a full continental breakfast here with all the Western food and all the Thai stuff, and they even had hot dogs if you're into that for breakfast. And then we walked around, and then I flew my drone, and then I crashed my drone into the water, like literally, I don't know, right there, like 20 feet from the shore. And then I ran up, changed into my swimsuit, went to the shop, bought some goggles, and then looked for it for like 30 minutes. And but the water is really rocky and muddy and murky, and it's hard to see, and can't really walk. And then security, they don't really want you swimming there because there's boats that pass by and whatever. Buy another one. But anyways, we're gonna go check out and go home. We've enjoyed this place. See you later.